Did you know that a natural compound called berberine has been shown in clinical studies to lower blood sugar levels as effectively as the popular diabetes drug metformin? In fact, in another groundbreaking study, participants taking berberine lost an average of 25 pounds in just 12 weeks. So, is berberine the natural miracle cure we've all been searching for? Join me, let's uncover the truth. Berberine is a natural supplement that's been used for centuries in traditional herbal medicine, originating from the berberis plant. It's been touted as a wonder drug, but what exactly is it, and how can it benefit our health? We live in a world where chronic diseases are running rampant. Diabetes, obesity, heart disease, the list goes on. And let's face it, many of us are tired of relying on pharmaceuticals and are seeking natural solutions to take back control of our health. We're looking for ways to boost our energy, shed those extra pounds, and feel more vibrant and alive. We're constantly bombarded with conflicting information, and it's hard to know what works and what doesn't. We're left feeling frustrated, confused, and unsure of where to turn. But what if I told you there's a natural solution that's been hiding in plain sight? A solution that's been used for centuries, with a wealth of scientific evidence to back it up. As we navigate the world of modern medicine, it's easy to get caught up in the latest fads and trends. But sometimes the old ways are the best. Berberine has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and for good reason. It's been shown to have incredible anti-inflammatory properties, and has even been used to treat everything from heart disease to digestive issues. But how does it work exactly? Berberine has a unique ability to activate something called AMPK, which is an enzyme that regulates our metabolism. By activating AMPK, berberine helps to increase our body's energy production, reduce inflammation, and even lower blood sugar levels. It's like a 1-2 punch for our health. Studies have shown that berberine can reduce insulin resistance, lower cholesterol levels, and even improve cardiovascular health. And the best part? It's completely natural with minimal side effects. It's no wonder that experts are calling it the new wonder drug. But don't just take my word for it. I've spoken to countless individuals who've seen firsthand the incredible benefits of berberine. From weight loss to improved energy, the stories are truly amazing. One woman I spoke to lost over 20 pounds in just a few weeks, simply by adding berberine to her daily routine. Another gentleman I spoke to reported a significant decrease in his blood sugar levels after just a few days of taking the supplement. Thousands of people are already transforming their bodies with this game-changing solution. Want to be next? Click the link in the description to gain instant access to berberine today at a promo price. And do remember to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this. The evidence is clear. Berberine is a game changer, but it's not a magic pill, and it's not an overnight fix. It's a natural supplement that requires patience, persistence, and a commitment to making healthy lifestyle changes. When used in conjunction with a healthy diet and regular exercise, the results can be truly miraculous. So what's the takeaway? Berberine is a powerful natural supplement that has the potential to transform our health. From reducing inflammation to improving cardiovascular health, the benefits are undeniable. But it's important to get the original berberine supplement by clicking the link in the description or comment section. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of berberine, but remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Both are free. If you've had any experiences with this amazing natural supplement, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're new here, be sure to check out our other videos on natural health remedies, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.